there, Jase Clamp here. I've noticed there's been a lot of videos on LinkedIn and so forth, so I wanted to take a moment to share about audio devices that I've been using to try and get good audio quality on these videos. Sometimes I see people like with the headphone hanging out of the ear, you know, and because they're using the mic on their headset to capture the audio, and they're kind of holding their phone out here and whatnot. So I did a bit of audio engineering back in the day, so I wanted to share some quick tips and cheap stuff that you can do to make your videos like this sound a lot better. First tip I want to share is a lavalier mic. So what this is just comes in a little leather pouch like this, and it's just a little lavalier mic, right? And you can buy it online for 70, 80 bucks or something like that. So yeah, and you can also get an extension cable. So that's if you buy the mic and the extension cable together. And I just carry this around with me in case I need it. It's so small and easy. Basically, you just take the plug like this and you just plug it directly into your phone, and then you thread it up. Basically, you just thread the thing through and you clip it on and you're good to go. So the other thing that I ran into was that I was using this to kind of pass back and forth for interview style videos, and it just doesn't look that great. It doesn't look very professional. So I thought, what can I do if I'm on the go and I've got my phone? I want to do a quick interview because I'm all about town and stuff like that. So this has been an iterative process. I want to show you a failed kind of thing. So I did a bunch of research and I tried to find options. So I found this particular thing. It was a Bluetooth microphone, and I think it was like 80 bucks or something like that. I don't want to, I know you can get kits for like Sony wireless mics, like, $300 to $600. I don't want to do that. So I gave this a try, and I thought, hey, it's cool because it's Bluetooth. And I even hooked it in with some video recording app on my phone, and it worked. Like the Bluetooth, I hooked it up. I could do the video recording. I could talk. The problem was over the Bluetooth, the audio quality was really bad. So I had to just put this aside. The kids play with it with karaoke now, so at least it's fun in that way. So what I've done now is for interviews, I've got this right here. So this is a H1 Zoom handheld recorder. And what it looks a bit better in terms of like going back and forth. And it's actually got the little microphones that point both ways. So you can just hold it between the two of you. And it sounds quite good. It's a solid state device, so it doesn't have any moving parts. And it's got good mics on it. This one, I think it was cost about 160 bucks. I just got it on some, electronic gear website here in Australia. And yeah, I think it's good because what I had been doing is basically trying to just pick up the audio right through my phone, and it's just no good. The mic is so far away. The audio quality is so bad. So for interviews and stuff like that, I'll just hold this, and it looks kind of reporterish and whatnot. It's pretty good. And yeah, and oh, one last thing, that this little piece of kit really helps me as well. So I'll have to take my phone out of my little holder here. So this thing it's called a joby, Joby, and it's just a little thing that I can kind of clamp the phone into. It wasn't very expensive. It was definitely less than $100. And I can put this thing in my bag, take it on the go with me. And what it lets me do is I can wrap these little legs around like poles. I can sit it on top of bins or whatever, right? And I can stand in front of the camera and just kind of say something if the need strikes me. So yeah, it's a good little device, especially when combined with that lavalier mic thing. So I hope these audio tips help those out there who are trying to do videos for LinkedIn and so forth. I really appreciate it when I see people sharing what's on their mind, so I wanted to help with that.